My name is Curtis Massad. I'm the executive chef here at Crate Seafood, Sushi, and Steak. Crate is a progressive seafood and sushi restaurant. We do have a few steaks. We have a Wagyu sirloin. The menu as a whole touches on Asian, Door County, Italian, a little bit of French. We have a lemongrass vichyssoise, which is a French soup and Asian herb. So we touch on all over the world for culture and food. We're gonna start with sushi. Sushi is a very common appetizer here. It's quick and easy and appealing, tasty, it's light. So the first one we're gonna have is our Volcano. Inside the roll is tempura shrimp, cucumbers, red peppers, and then on top of the roll is a sriracha kanikama salad, spicy mayo, and unagi sauce. So the second sushi roll we'll be having is the Geisha Girl. Inside the roll is ahi tuna, avocado, and jalapeno, and topped with salmon, lemon zest, tobiko, unagi sauce, spicy mayo, and macadamia nuts. So one of our entrees is the Door County Whitefish. It's a staple in Door County. Everyone loves the whitefish. I bake it on cedar planks with some scallion butter and a side of cherry tomatoes, fingerling potatoes, and asparagus. It's served on those cedar planks, so you get a nice, appealing, not only visual, but also aroma coming off of your plate. So this is my favorite entree to cook personally, is the Diver Scallops. I use a U8 size scallop, so it's quite large, pan-seared to perfection, served with bacon grits, blackberry gastrique, daikon radish, and finally an anko bean paste around the outside, which looks like chocolate on a plate, tastes like chocolate, but it's not chocolate.